Hi friends, are you ready to have some fun today? Today we will be doing something new, interactive editing.
Materials!
Today you will need to strap on your thinking cap. Are you ready? Here are today's learning targets. I can sort words with R-controlled O sounds and R-controlled A sounds. And I can collaborate with my teacher to edit a sentence that has CVC, CVCC, and high-frequency words. And I can collaborate with my teacher to edit a sentence with CVC, CVCC, and high-frequency words. Let's get started.
Transition song.
Sorting words is lots of fun. We make a change to the word run. A different vowel changes run to ran. We find some rhymes like can and tan. Look for words that sound the same. That's how we'll play this sorting game.
Word work.
Now, let's play Sort It Out. Today's words will either have the R-controlled vowel AR, R, or the R-controlled vowel OR, or. Are you ready to sort? Here is our first word. Scorch. What vowel sound do you hear? Scorch, sk, or ch, has the R-controlled vowel OR, or. Let's look at our next word. Snarl. What vowel sound do you hear in snarl? Snarl has the R-controlled vowel AR, R. This word is gorge. What vowel sound do you hear in gorge? Gorge has the R-controlled vowel OR, made by the R controlling the O. And finally, this last word is harp. What vowel sound do you hear in harp? Harp has that R-controlled vowel sound, R. How did you do playing Sort It Out today?
Writing.
We have been doing such an amazing job writing sentences that now we are going to do something new. We are going to edit sentences. When we are editing, there are 3 things that we are looking for. We are looking for spelling errors. We are looking for capitalization mistakes. And finally, we are looking to see if any punctuation marks are missing. We are going to look closely at this sentence and see if we find anything that needs to be edited or corrected. Right now, the sentence says, "Cold you say bye to the stars when yo are won the potch." Wow. Let's look at one part of the sentence at a time. The first part says, "Cold you say." That doesn't make sense. Cold is a temperature. This sentence is asking someone to say something. I could fix the word cold. Instead of cold, I could use the word could to ask a question. I am going to replace cold with could to see if that sounds right. Let's read it again. Could you say bye to the stars when yo are won the potch? That makes a bit more sense. So let's leave that word could. What else needs to be edited? I see something else. Let's look at that word bye. Remember that the word by is a homophone. That means when the word is spelled different ways, it means different things even though it sounds the same. In this sentence, the word by refers to someone saying bye. That sounds like it should be B-Y-E. That's how you spell the shortened form of goodbye. Let's see what we have so far. Could you say bye to the stars when yo are won the potch? I'm noticing something interesting about that word stars. We have learned to add the suffix s when we have more than one of something. Even though stars sounds like it has a Z at the end, we need to add a letter S. That lets us know that there is more than one star. That looks better. What else do we need to edit? When we write, we should always double check to make sure that we have spelled our high frequency words correctly. In this sentence, I notice that the word you is missing the letter U. That's why I have been reading the word yo. But if we add that U, it looks a lot better. And it sounds right. Could you say bye to the stars when you are won the potch? Wait, when you are won the potch? That doesn't sound right. There's another high frequency word that is misspelled. The word on does not have a letter E at the end. That's the word won. So let's take off that E. Now we have our high frequency word on spelled correctly. There's one more word that doesn't sound right. Can you find it? Potch. There's no such thing as a potch. I'm thinking that this word is missing an R-controlled vowel. Instead of potch, I think that this word should be porch. I need to add in an R. That R will boss that O to say or. And now the word is porch. Wow, we have fixed a lot. Let's reread our sentence to see if we've missed anything. Could you say bye to the stars when you are on the porch? It looks as though we have fixed all of our spelling mistakes, but something still doesn't sound right. Can you tell what's wrong? If you still aren't sure, listen one more time as I read the sentence. Pay close attention to that ending punctuation. Could you say bye to the stars when you are on the porch? What did you notice? If you think that this sentence should end with a question mark, you are right. The author of this sentence is asking a question, and this question mark lets the reader know that. Let's read this sentence one more time together now that we finished editing. Could you say bye to the stars when you are on the porch?
Closing reflection.
You did some excellent work today. Let's think about what we did. What 3 things do we need to look for when we edit? We want to make sure that we have capital letters in the right place, the correct punctuation, and the correct spelling of each word. Excellent job helping me edit this sentence today. Go ahead and kiss your brain. You worked so hard with that editing. I look forward to learning and growing together again when you join me for the next lesson.